Don, wait a moment.
I'll be right back. Matthew, why are you here? You can't just show up without notifying me.
I can't? I'm your brother, aren't I? It's my company too, isn't it?
Let's not get ahead of myself.
Speaking of, I heard you hired some inexperienced nobody as your writer instead of Kathleen Jones, who just happens to be the, I don't know, biggest influencer in publishing? Are you crazy?
She's got enough talent. Except using hashtags and making dumb.
So what? Are you trying to destroy the company? If you don't turn right around and hire her, I will.
Like hell you will. Her grandmother appointed me CEO because I know talent. And the person I hired is the most talented writer I have ever met. Don notices. I mean, yes,